Imagine a world where you can invest into two major technologies, merge together as one major technology, and use the extremely early as early adopter. Yes, guys, we're talking about artificial intelligence combined and merged with cryptocurrencies. Yes, this is going to be a driving factor and a narrative within the next bull market that is really going to see a major pump towards the upside. And yes, we're going to look at the most important coins that you definitely should hold in your portfolio. But before we're going to start this video, guys, please help me with the algorithm, smash up the like button and subscribe, and most importantly, share this with all of your friends and family because this is really going to be a massive bull run and you don't want to miss out on these major gains. So if you want to buy cryptocurrencies on the spot market, go down in the video description below and sign up with BloFin or even Bybit where you receive a major deposit bonus and you can trade cryptocurrencies on the spot market or even with a leverage market. And welcome back to B4 Crypto. I hope you're all doing great. We're going to first look at the Bitcoin chart before we're going to go over to the AI coins. And yes, we could see this major consolidation and this major boring fade within this overall crypto market. And this is just a phase to drive you out of the market because ultimately, guys, this is just a healthy consolidation after a massive pump towards the upside. And yes, maybe we're going to see this consolidation and this retest of lower levels before we're going to see this next breakout. But in this video, we're not going to focus on Bitcoin, we're just going to look at the price movement. Because yes, all the way from the all-time high to the swing low, Bitcoin saw this correction of 23% from the all-time high exactly towards the swing low. But what is going to be really important, guys, we're going to zoom out on the weekly chart exactly to this low, which we reached exactly on the 22nd of January 2024. And from this point all the way to the swing high, Bitcoin had a move of 91%. So yes, guys, we're going to compare Bitcoin with one AI coin, arweave. Because yes, exactly in the same time period, from the 22nd of January, exactly here, all the way to the swing high, we saw a move of nearly 500%, 470% to be precise, exactly in the same time period. And this is exactly what I wanted to show you, this example when it comes to the price movement of Bitcoin. Because yes, we saw this major breakout, but the altcoins saw this major pump towards the upside. And this is also exactly what we saw. Bitcoin had a 23% correction, but some of these major altcoins saw a major 80% dip, which just gave you the opportunity to buy even lower. Because yes, this is the major strategy when it comes to investing. Buy low, sell high. And this is exactly what you should be doing. So if you're seeing fear in the markets, this usually is the best time to invest. So let's go over to the first coin. Yes, we already looked at Arweave. And I gave you this entry point exactly here in my previous video, and that's why it's extremely important to subscribe and activate the bell, because yes, exactly here on the 26th of February, I gave you this entry point and we saw this major pump towards the upside exactly from this entry towards the swing high. This was a percentage gain of 200%. Is it too late to invest exactly now? No, guys, because we can see that the price movement is still underneath the 61.8 and also the 50%, this golden ratio. If we're going to look at the fibs from the swing high all the way to the swing low, the bear market bottom exactly here. And yes, guys, if you would have bought exactly here, dollar cost averaged into this major fearful event and this major dump, you would have been up in some major profits. But ultimately, AI is going to be the next major narrative and it's going to be a major narrative within this bull market. So I could at least expect that we're going to break the previous high, which would be a percentage gain of 115%. Or we could even see that Arweave is going to reach the 2.618 Fibonacci retracement level. And yes, this would be another 500% move all the way from the current price. But yes, if we're going to see this major growth when it comes to AI, we could even expect that Arweave is going to see this major pump to the psychological level of 500 US dollars. Yes, you heard me right, because you're still extremely early, and exactly because of the reason that we're seeing two major technologies, AI and also cryptocurrencies, merge together to solve problems. This could be a driving factor, and we could expect this massive run towards the upside. I would even expect that you could even reach a 10x on the investment on AR, because if we go over to CoinMarketCap, we can see the top AI big data tokens by market cap. And yes, at the moment we are down, but we are seeing that the trading volume is already up 56%. So this gives us the indication that a lot of people are investing into all of these major solid projects. And yes, these are the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap when it comes to AI and also big data. We have NEAR, render, and also the graph. So let's go over to the next coin. AR is definitely the coin that you should hold in your portfolio. So let's go over to GRT. Because yes, if you would have been subscribed to my channel, I gave you this perfect entry exactly here, where the price of GRT broke this downward sloping trend and formed this perfect double bottom exactly here. Yes, we saw this pump of 424% exactly from this entry point, and at the moment we are seeing this consolidation. And like I told you in the previous altcoin video, that we are seeing this consolidation. We perfectly bounced off from the 50 moving average at this major resistance point. Yes, this is the previous bull market support exactly here, round about the levels of 33 cent. So yes, I'm heavily invested into GRT because I could expect this major pump towards the upside, and just even to conservative price target to the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, this would still be a pump from the current price movement exactly here at this major resistance roundabout at $1.70. This would still be a move of 462%. But yes, with the driving factor of AI and also technology, this major adoption, I could even expect that the price target is going to be, and it's still a conservative price target, the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, being astonishing 1300% exactly from the entry point. So yes, definitely you should invest into GRT at this major resistance level, because ultimately if we're going to form a new high, we could expect this major fast move breaking even the previous high. So yes, you're still extremely early in investing into these major technologies. And yes, we're not going to waste any time. We're going to go over to the next coin, which is going to be NEAR protocol. And as we can see for NEAR, we had this major bear market bottom exactly here round about the $1 level, found perfect support, and this could have been a major indication. Yes, we held the $1 level, and this could be a major fast move. And guys, we stood a 7x exactly from this level, from the $1 level all the way up to the $8 level, where we can see that the price movement is at the moment. So this is even an 8x. But if we're going to look at the current price movement, which is exactly at the $8 level, this is previous bull market resistance exactly here. Support from previous bull market, which is now resistance. But if we're going to break the previous high, we could expect this fast move all the way up to the previous all-time high. And yes, this would be a move from the current price movement all the way to the all-time high. Let me just drag it up all the way to the current price. This would be a pump of 150%. But like I said, guys, with all of these coins, I do expect a massive bull run, being a driving narrative overall when it comes to technology, AI, and the integration of AI technologies, and also the integration of cryptocurrencies. So guys, dollar cost average into these solid projects before we're going to see the next major breakout, because these are all solid projects. And yes, we're seeing this consolidation at previous resistance from previous bull market support. And ultimately, guys, this means show me a high and I show you exactly where to buy. So yes, let's go over to the next coin, which is going to be render. And yes, in the previous video, I told you exactly here in my previous altcoin video that we perfectly bounced off from the 88.6 and found perfect support. And I told you to dollar cost average exactly here, round about the $6.70. And we can see that the price movement went up all the way to the swing high, another 67%. So you could have already profited on this major move. And we can see that the price movement is back above the 13 moving average, which gives me the first indication that sooner or later we're going to break the 1.618. And yes, guys, you can see that render has already reached its 1.618 Fibonacci retracement target all the way up here. And this is also what I expect for all of these coins, that NEAR is going to come all the way back up into this major zone, guys. Because remember, Bitcoin went up 91%, but we could see this move for AR all the way from these levels all the way up to the swing high. This was a move of 200%. So yes, guys, you could see these major profits when it comes to altcoins. And remember what I showed you on the total 3 market cap in the previous video, that we could expect this massive altcoin season. And yes, the altcoins will outperform Bitcoin, and that's why it's a great opportunity to diversify your Bitcoin investment into altcoins, to maximize your Bitcoin holdings through diversifying them into altcoins before this major altcoin season. So let's go over to the next coin, which is going to be Injective. Because yes, we saw that Injective broke its previous all-time high exactly here. We came all the way to the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, had this quick move towards the upside, and this this recovery all the way back down to the 50 moving average, which is also the previous all-time high. So yes, once again we bounced off from the 88.6. So ultimately guys, this is a great buying opportunity, exactly these levels of 25 US dollars, because if we're going to look at this price move, guys, we could even expect this major pump all the way up to the $250 level, because ultimately guys, in the previous bull market we saw that Solana went from $15 all the way up to $250. So if we're going to see this major adoption when it comes to AI coins, we could even expect this 5x, 10x, or even 100x for some of these major coins, because if we're going to see this major crypto adoption and also this revolutionary step when it comes to artificial intelligence, guys, you're still at the beginning of this major bull run and you have the opportunity to invest into this project at an early stage. So let's go over to the last coin, and yes, this is the data coin, which is already a long time on the market. We're going to look at filecoi, which I bought exactly here, and this is also where I showed you in the previous videos about a year ago that you should invest into filecoi exactly here. Yes, you would have been in some major profits, but if we're just going to look at filecoi from the bottom all the way to the swing high exactly here from the buying area, you would have been up 170%. Yes, we saw this dip towards the downside at the moment, but ultimately guys, I do expect that filecoi is at least going to come up to the previous bear market support exactly here, round about the 25 US dollar level, this major resistance. But ultimately guys, we could even come as high as the previous all-time high if we're going to see the adoption in cooperation with filecoi, because filecoi is really a solid project. Yes, it has been on the market for a very long time, and a lot of coins have been unlocked and a lot of investors dumped all of their coins because this was still extremely early. We're seeing only now that all these AI coins and all these major data coins are getting this major pump towards the upside. So if we're going to see the integration of filecoi, and yes, they're having a lot of projects that they're working on because the capacity of filecoi is just enormous. And yes, I made a dedicated video on filecoi, which you will find exactly here. So yes guys, invest into all of these projects because you're still extremely early. And if you want to find out more, guys, smash up the like button and subscribe. And most importantly guys, if you want to buy crypto on the spot market or trade it with a leverage, go down in the video description below where you find the link to my trusted exchanges being Bybit and also BloFin, where you receive a major deposit bonus. And yes guys, in the next video we're going to talk about meme coins. So if you want to find out more, make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe. But most importantly, be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.